Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Boost Prepaid and mobile SIM online. Follow this step-by-step process to get started quickly and easily. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the activation process, ensure you have the following ready: your Boost mobile SIM card, the phone number associated with your Boost account, if applicable, your personal identification information, e.g., name, address, and date of birth. Step 2. Visit the Boost mobile website. Open your web browser and go to the official Boost mobile website. Look for the Activate option, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Step 3. Select Activate SIM card. Once on the activation page, select the option that says Activate SIM card or similar. This option will direct you to the SIM activation form. Step 4. Enter your SIM card number. You will be prompted to enter your SIM card number. This can typically be found on the SIM card packaging or printed on the card itself. Make sure to enter it accurately. Step 5. Provide your personal information. Next, fill out the required fields with your personal information. This may include your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that the information matches your records to avoid any activation issues. Step 6. Review your information. Take a moment to review the information you've entered. Make sure everything is correct, as any errors may delay your activation process. Step 7. Submit your activation request. Once you've confirmed that all information is accurate, submit your activation request. You should receive a confirmation email or message indicating that your request is being processed. Step 8. Restart your device. After the activation process is complete, restart your mobile device. This will help it recognize the new SIM card and connect to the Boost mobile network. Step 9. Test your SIM card. Once your device is back on, test the SIM card by making a call or sending a text message. Check that you have a signal and are able to use cellular data. Step 10. Enjoy your service. Congratulations! Your Boost prepaid or mobile SIM card is now activated. Enjoy all the benefits of your new service. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and happy connecting.